Welcome to Donna Cooking, and I'm excited because this week's video I'm going to be making two different things. One, we'll be using parsley, which I just got out of the garden, and making a chimichurri sauce, which is a super versatile sauce that you can use in a lot of different ways. We're going to be visiting our local farmers market, so I want you to come along with me and picking out a cauliflower, a nice fresh one that we're going to cut into steaks and load them. You're gonna love these recipes. So let's just get started. At the farmer's market, it's the last day. Having fun at the farmer's market. Fresh potatoes. Nice. Ooh, that's a nice one. I love pottery. All right, here's a mug that's really cool and perfect for my husband because he's really into bikes. So, like it. Look at this amazing mushroom farm. Cool. Alaskan cabbages. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna get a cauliflower. Perfect cauliflower. Great last day at the farmer's market. Our first recipe, we're going to be making what's known as chimichurri sauce. All you need is some fresh parsley, olive oil. Anyway, I'll show you how to make it. You can do it in a dish or your food processor. It's super versatile, and you can put it on top of steak. You can put it on roasted vegetables, on grain bowls, and it's just super flavorful. And we'll be also using it on the recipe that I'll be showing you in just a bit. Now if you want to add a little bit of heat, add a couple flakes of the red peppers. There you go, that's just all. So I took the cauliflower and I cut it into 1-inch slices with my good knife. Right here are the slices. So now we're going to place them on some parchment paper and roast them in the oven before adding a topping. Now what I'm gonna do is brush the steaks again with the chimichurri. They roasted in the oven at 375 for 20 minutes. Now I divided up the artichoke spinach mixture and I spread it on top of each one of the cauliflower steaks. And now I'm just going to spread on the panko mix and let it toast and finish cooking in the oven. Go ahead and taste your panko mix and just make sure it tastes, has enough salt or garlic, just to adjust the seasonings. I will also put the recipe for the nutty parmesan. It's dairy free in case you need that, and it's by Dr. Greger in his cookbook, but I will put the recipe for that in the description box of the video. I'll drizzle around the very edges with the chimichurri sauce. And if you like the parmesan, go ahead and put a little more parmesan on it. I got the topping all on, sprinkled a little more parmesan cheese on top, and I'm gonna roast them in the oven just a little bit more till they toast on top at 375 degrees. So then you can go ahead and serve them alongside whatever you're having for dinner tonight.